Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. Okay, so I'm running a high 8 tape here, and if you got these things and you're getting this, and then now we've got complete dropout here. So let's have a look. It could be the tape, it could be the player. My guess is right now that this is gonna be, I think, the tape. So this is from anyone reads Cantonese, you'll see that. Let's have a look here. So gonna just get this rolling here and see if I can get an image up on the screen. And there we go. So watch that. It's the same tape. Okay, same tape. So if you're doing this yourself, or you're looking at some of these companies that advertise on social media, Legacy Box, iMemories, Kodak Digitizing, South Tree, they're not monitoring anything. That's why they've got such bad reviews and problems. See, look, it's not even coming up with a picture. See, look, it's playing. But this is what happens when you could just got staff en masse that is just putting tapes out there. And this one had a new head 2022, I think. Let's have a look here. Yeah, so there's nothing going on with that. So you might have some tapes and you get stickers on them saying, hey, your tape was blank. And it's because their players, the heads are dirty or they're worn, because they are not checking and cleaning anything. And look, there's the tape right there. So this is precious content here that let's have a look, see if there's some audio. Yep, audio's coming through loud and clear. Yeah. And this is why you have to have every, one station monitoring everything. All of these big companies, they've just got players, and they're all fed into like a terminal or a one screen where they got like 20 different screens, and no one's paying attention to them. And that's why, this tape could be going to crap and no one will know. Let me put another tape in here and see if it's gonna like this one. And this is very common with these old tapes. Particles are coming off them, depending on how they've been stored, where they've been stored, mold, all these different issues. See, look, I'm hitting fast forward. Now you can see the image. So there we go. So what this is more than likely is a dirty video head. So you need one or two things. Head cleaner, which these things cost $100, and you use it, across the board once, and that's it. It's done. So $100, and you got to get them from Japan. And let's clean it right now. Ooh, doesn't sound good. Listen to that. That, my friends, is what we call in England knackered, buggered, or in America, toast. Let's have a look. Put that tape back in there and see. Oops. Oh no, not a mechanism. What's going on? I want this closed. And you've got to be really careful with these, using all the lever. No, that won't close. What is going on? Is that the tape? Let's try it again. It could be the... See, that's going. Why won't this... Oh, it doesn't sound good there, does it? That's why you need multiple machines. If you're trying to do this yourself at home, you go, just buy an old camera off eBay and just figure it out, because these things are readily available. They're all used, they're all junk. They're constant issues. All of these up here I need to fix, or Tim next door at Arizona Video Electronics needs to fix, because I haven't got the time. All of these here are contaminated from one job, gunked up all the heads. Actually, it was probably one tape gunked up 3 heads. I was like, oh, what's going on? And then boom, I look at it, I'm like, oh, it's got damn mold on it. So got to take all those apart and rerun them. Let's have a look here. If this won't close now, this means that there's something going on. If you've got that issue and it won't close, sometimes people have put stickers at the top, and then this, when it folds down, gets caught with the sticker. Okay, I'm going to do this real gently. Nope, won't go, and it's sticky to get out. So I've got to take this tape apart now and see what is going on. All these tiny little screws. I can guarantee you, if you went through any of the box companies, as I always talk about in my videos, all of these companies here, South Tree, Legacy Box, Kodak Digitizing, iMemories does fix tapes, but if you've got any issues like that, these companies just whack a sticker on it and it says, your tape is do-do-do-do-do-do-do. And then they just hand it back to you, and you're like, dude, I thought you were a professional company and you've been blowing up my inbox forever and you can't even fix a videotape? There's videos on YouTube of 10-year-olds fixing tapes, you know, and they've got 200, 300 employees, and amongst all of those brains, nobody can get a screwdriver and undo this stuff. Yeah, because they're not in the business of digitizing, they're in the business of just getting your money and then kind of doing a number. Anyway, see, look, it works okay there. Boom. So thank God for that. All right, so let's see if this one's going to go. And yes, I use all of these camcorders. See, look, tape's good. So you could have had, this is a prime example. There could have been one employee, which is just minimum wage. They do not care. There's zero pride in their work. There's no passion. It's just a job. And they go, oh, good, this tape doesn't work. So what do? They slap a sticker on it telling you that it cannot be transferred. And all they had to do was put it in another machine or just take a few seconds. But when you're only paying $9 a videotape, you get what you pay for. So in all my videos, I am going again and again and again. Here's an issue here. Well, not an issue. Okay, so right there you saw blue screen. And sometimes they're like, oh, it's done. And they'll just click it and they go, right, the tape's done. I saw blue screen. No. And then it pops back up again. And that comes from when people were reviewing the tapes on their camera and they, for fuck.